Hi.
I'm fine, Sylvia. And you?
Yeah, I'm very well. Yes. Are you in Switzerland at the moment?
Yeah, I'm in Switzerland.
Okay, nice. Okay, so can you tell our listeners what the Istanbul Convention is exactly?
Istanbul Convention is full title, Convention on Preventing and Combating Violence Against Women and Domestic Violence, signed in 2011 in Istanbul, and it is adopted by Council of Europe. The convention legally binds countries to prevent violence against women, protect women, and prosecute offense. And it also defines and calls for the criminalization of all forms of gender-based violence, such as sexual, physical, economical, or psychological. Also, in this convention, stalking, forced marriage, and genital mutilation is defined as type of violence as well. Why it is important to sign this convention? It is, during lockdown, because of the pandemic, reports as domestic violence soared. But even before then, nearly 30% women worldwide experienced violence by an intimate partner in their lifetime. Also, in the European Union, 1 of the 3 women reported having experienced physical or sexual assault since the age of 15. As you can see the numbers, this is a worldwide issue, and because of that, the solution comes from with an international solidarity. As I said before, the convention legally binds the countries. It is not an advisory document or wish list. It is legally bind countries.
So last year in 2021, Turkey has withdrawn from this convention. So why? What are the issues?
Based on the explanation of Turkey's communication directorate, they have concerns about the convention normalized the homosexuality, and it caused to destroy the traditional family values of Turkey. At this point, I want to flag a couple of things. The convention is not encourage the same-sex marriage. However, it has a protection on the vulnerable groups such as migrants, refugees, disabled persons, old persons, and people from different sexual orientations. Which means generally the groups of people who can be easily subject any kind of discrimination. Perhaps the acceptance of these existing groups, I mean the LGBTQ plus groups here, appears to most people who have the conservative perspective that the convention attacks their cultural values. It is not an issue only in Turkey, but also countries like Bulgaria, Poland, Ukraine, Hungary has same concerns as well. So it is not just for the Turkey's concerns.
And I would like to ask, so without the convention now in Turkey, what's the legal situation for women? Are there fundamental rights?
Right now, Turkey officially left the convention, and but before that, we have a law number 6284 called Violence Against Women and Domestic Violence Law. It was created by experts, university professors, and NGOs after the state signed the Istanbul Convention. So I can say that this law covered most of the values and articles of the convention. Of course, it is not a perfect law, but it is the only instrument against violence issues for now in Turkey. However, I want to give some statistics on this point. At least 339 women were killed by men in Turkey last year. And it is just one type of violence which reflects the statistics, but we know it is much more than that. So it won't be wrong to say violence against women is still a significant issue in Turkey. There is a report in 2018 about Turkey issued by Grevio, Grevio is the monitoring mechanism which created in the convention. Grevio, normally they are writing their reports, and they are publishing their reports, and they are giving some recommendations to the countries who signed these conventions. And it was the main recommendation was in this report to Turkey immediately was to include the principle of gender equality as a primary principle in all policies and measures. In the end, the crucial point is to educate the people, judge, prosecutors, police, especially, and I mean the people who really affect the system itself. Even if you have the best law, eventually the most crucial part is how to reflect on the practice. Does it really work or not work? On the other hand, those kind of conventions are essential to show solidarity with the other women in the world and the values of the states. So I believe that choosing not to be part of that kind of convention can give the wrong message to the perpetrator. If you have broader democracy agenda and you want to enhance your economy, you cannot reach these goals while ignoring these issues.